So today we're comparing the Redmi Note 13 with the Tecno Spark 20 Pro. These phones basically come out at a standard price point of $160, although bear it in mind that prices will vary based on your actual location. So rocking a similar price tag, which is better? Starting with the unboxing experience, the Redmi has a couple of manuals, a SIM injector tool, a TPU case, a USB-C cable and a fast charging brick. The Tecno has all these and even has a pair of earphones which the Redmi doesn't have. Onto design language, both are well designed for what they are, but personally I prefer the Redmi's design. There is a fingerprint magnet. I seem to appreciate the glass back we're getting here as opposed to plastic on the Spark 20 Pro, and also the uniqueness of the design pattern. The Spark 20 Pro's iPhone aesthetic, though unique, is also boring. Onto the display, the Redmi is punchier, brighter and even stronger. The Redmi Note 13 is AMOLED, Tecno is just an LCD panel. The Redmi reaches 1800 nits of brightness, whilst the Tecno barely reaches 1000 nits. And whilst the Tecno doesn't have any protection up front, the Redmi Note 13 has Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It doesn't mean the Spark 20 Pro's display is bad. It's a nice looking 120Hz 1080p panel, but the Redmi is just way better. What about the performance? Because as the two phones are basically the same price, shouldn't the performance be equal as well? Well, the Redmi is powered by the Snapdragon 685 and the Tecno is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor. Both can handle top games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty, but at the basic entry-level settings. The MediaTek Helio G99 is the overall better chip, but you gotta bear in mind that the Snapdragon 685 has been heavily optimized for performance, so in reality you can't really tell the difference. Onto the software, the Tecno runs iOS 13 based on Android 13 and the Redmi runs MIUI 13 also based on Android 13. In my opinion, the Redmi is better because MIUI is much more bloat and ad-free than iOS, and unlike the Tecno where you never get any software updates to Android 14. On this Redmi Note 13, you get 1 or maybe 2 years of support, which extends the longevity and relevance of the phone. Before I address the cameras, I want to say that both phones pack a beastly 5000 mAh battery with fast 33W charging. Both have splash-proof rating, IP53 on Tecno, IP54 on the Redmi, and whilst the fingerprint scanner is located by the side on the Spark 20 Pro, the Redmi Note 13 brings a special optical under-display scanner, which though is quite slower, looks more premium. So onto the battle of the cameras. Both phones sport a 108MP triple camera setup which shoots decent photos in good lighting conditions, and for video, the results are comparable. The Tecno does shoot in 2K, which is higher than the Redmi's 1080p, but the Redmi's video experience should be better due to better optimization. And that leaves us with the final question, which is better? I can say this: if you're searching for a better display, a better software experience, better cameras, the Redmi is a strong must buy for you. But if you're part of that 1% of the population who is driven by the iPhone's aesthetic, or you want more accessories in the box, then you can take the Tecno Spark 20 Pro. Both smartphones are awesome at their price, but I'd personally select the Redmi Note 13 over the Spark 20 Pro. But hey, let me know what you think down in the comment section. Don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'm Real, this is High 21.